Okay, welcome everyone. Today is Monday. It is November 12th of 2018. It's actually Veterans Day, and was expected the markets to be fairly quiet. Actually, they were a little thin in terms of volume, but overall had another really good day. Started the day with a once and done. What this means is that I typically go and try to make my very first trade profitable, and I did get one today, and I want to show you this real quick, and then we'll talk about the other trades that I made. But it's in the pound US. This is a 5-minute candlestick chart of the pound US and a 1 minute, and I show you the exact minute of entry. It was a short, and of course, as I always do, I'm always buying and selling. At least when I sell, I want to make at least $52, and when I am buying, I always want to make at least $48. So nonetheless, that's what we did. Sold the 52 after commissions. Ended up making $50. That was my once and done. And then I went to a combination of the core strategy and the nibble strategies. Now, the nibble strategy is what uses the crystal ball, and I don't think that anybody should be trading binaries unless they understand how the crystal ball works, because the crystal ball will tell you which currency pair is getting ready to move and its directions, in most cases 1 to 2 minutes in advance, and it is so reliable and so consistent that that's how I'm able to have profitable days at least 9 out of 10 days. So, and it's a very important tool. Whether, I don't care what kind of system or method you're using, if you don't understand the crystal ball method, really shouldn't be understanding. You shouldn't be trading binary options, because binary options, we're looking at a very short-term time frame here. In this case, we're looking at 5-minute binaries. Of course, I personally like 5-minute binaries because it gives me multiple opportunities throughout the day to make my hit my objective. But the other thing is that with the nibble strategy and primarily using the crystal ball method, you have to be able to get into that trade and be profitable, because you only have 4 to 5 minutes in order to be profitable. And that's the beauty of the crystal ball method. It will give you that heads up, and before the market moves, it will tell you this particular pair, whatever the pair is, that it's getting ready to make a move, and it's getting ready to make a move on the downside or the upside. So that's pretty much what I did. After my first core trade, I went ahead and I nibbled that for the rest of the day using the crystal ball method. I didn't do any really big size, did size maybe a couple times, but most of what I was doing today was just trading one lot, and I still ended up making 338. I could have pressed it more, probably could have broke 1,000 today, but being Veterans Day, I thought that the market would be kind of thin, so I just took it easy and didn't do a whole lot of trading, just took it light and didn't do much size, and anyway, still ended up with a really nice day. So if you want to learn more about the crystal ball method, you have to become a member in order to do that, but you can certainly learn more about the core method by getting a hold of my free video, and by just staying tuned here to the end of this video, and I'll tell you exactly how you can do that. At least give you some idea of my the way I look at the markets and how I believe they should be traded. And then if you're interested in learning the nibble strategy, which does include the crystal ball method, it uses that primarily for timing, then just jump on board here, become a member, and everything's fully disclosed from day one, so you know exactly kind of what I'm doing, and then I walk you through it one-on-one, as I spend a little time with you to make sure that you understand everything. And then we just go and chat, and we trade every day. So anyhow, that's my recap of all the trades I made today in chat, and I hope to see you tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow with my next update. Looking forward to Tuesday. I think we're going to have some really good moving markets tomorrow, with this being a holiday. So really looking forward to tomorrow. Maybe I can break that $1,000 mark. Anyhow, that's it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page. where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the course strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So, nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. I wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.